So we got this situation to handle. So look at this, what I will do for this situation. So I will be taking, you know that you have to find out the limit of something which is given in sum. Okay, so look at this, how I will respond. So I will be taking n common from the numerator as well as denominator. Okay, so look at this, how it will go. So limit n tends to infinity, we have 1 by n power a, 2 by n power a, 3 by n power a, dot dot dot. To write down that thing in pattern, I'll be writing n by n power a. So we have taken n power a common from numerator. I hope till this part you guys are okay. Now I will be taking n common from the denominator as well. So if I'll take n common from this particular element, I will be left with n power a minus 1, and then we will be left with 1 by n power a minus 1. I hope this is okay. Now I will be taking, you know that everything is written in terms of addition, so I will be taking 1n common from everything. So we will be left with a plus 1 by n plus a plus 2 by n plus dot 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 a plus n by n, and they have already given you limit as 1 by 60. Now you have to respond. So if you'll observe, the base is same, n and n, so power will be added, so base power of this thing is 1, so this thing will become, both thing will get clubbed, and we will be left with a n power a, which is in the numerator and denominator both. Okay, so we have this situation. Okay, now look at this, how we will manage situations. So if you will observe now, look at here, I will be writing things in form of summation. Okay, so summation. Now if you'll observe the numerator, you can write that thing as r by n power a. Okay, means 1 2 3 n. So r by n, r starts from 1 to n. Okay, now this is my numerator part. Now look at this, the denominator first component. So if you'll observe the denominator first component, you cannot fix that one. So you have 1 plus 1 by n power a minus 1. So this is your first component of denominator. Now look at the second component. So if you will try to club, you have first element a, second element a, third element a, nth element a. So if you'll open the bracket, you will have n times a. So can we add all of them? So you got n times a plus 1 by n plus 2 by n plus 3 by n plus dot 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 plus n by n. So can I take 1 by n common, and then we will be left with 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus dot 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 plus n. So it is n into n plus 1 by 2. Correct? So this n got neutralized, and we have this is equal to 1 by 60. Now look at this. You know that this thing will be replaced by x, but we need n more so that we can create dx. So what I will be doing, I will be taking n common from this component. Okay, because on the denominator we want n. Now look at this. Summation r starts from 1 to n, r by n power a. Now, if you'll observe this thing, okay, this thing is your friend because you are trying to find out the limit, and if it's in the product, you know that you can substitute the limit and it is not disturbing anyone. If you'll put value of n as infinity, this thing will become 0 and you will have 1 plus 0. So it's okay. So this yellow part will become your friend. So you can take that thing outside. So it's 1 only, so no need to write. Now I'll be taking n common. So if you'll take n common from the bracket, you will be left with a plus. Here we have n by 2. So n by 2 will become 1 by 2. And then 1 by 2 will become 1 by 2n. Okay? And this is equal to 1 by 60. Now you have managed to create 1 by n. Now again, if you'll observe the bracket, this person will behave as your friend. Because n is approaching infinity, this person will become 0. So you can take 1 by a plus 1 by 2 outside. And then now you can apply the limit, because you know that summation can be replaced by integration sign, and then r by n is x power a, and then 1 by n is dx. This 1 by n is dx. Now you know that you have replaced r by n as x. So if r is 1, so it is 1 by n, and n is approaching infinity, so the lower limit becomes 0. And if you'll replace upper limit n by n will become 1. So now what is the integration of x power a? So it is, wait, 2a plus 1, and then numerator is 2. So it is x power a plus 1 by a plus 1. Now put upper limit and lower limit. If you'll substitute upper limit as 1, you will be left with a plus 1. Okay, so it is 2 by 2 plus 1 into 1 by a plus 1 minus, if you substitute the lower limit 0, so the second component will become 0. So according to us, we got limiting value as 2 by 2a plus 1 multiplied with a plus 1, and we got this thing is, according to them, the limit is 1 by 60. So this is the point. Okay, now you have to manipulate both the situations to find out the value of a. So for that we will be doing cross multiplication. So it is 120 and this is 2a square, and then plus 3a plus 1. Now I will take all thing that side, right hand side. So we are left with 2a square plus 3a minus 119. Now to find out the value of a, you have to do the factorization, or you have to apply Sridharacharya rule, that says it is minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4 2s are 8, 8 times minus, so minus minus will become plus, so 8 times 119, 72. Okay, 8 1 time 8, so you will be having 95. Okay, so you got this by 2a. 2a is 4. Okay, I hope till this part you guys are comfortable. Now we have minus 3 plus or minus root over 961, okay, by 4. Hopefully you know that the root of 961 will become 31. Okay, if you don't know, you can calculate. Okay, so we are left with this situation. So we have minus 3 plus 31 as 28 by 4, and then minus minus is 34 by 4. So we are left with 7 or minus of 17 by 2. Therefore, the possible values for a is 7 comma minus of 17 by 2. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations.